When I wake up in the morning, I thank God for a brand new day. When my heart is full of worries, I know He will guide my way. When I'm weak, He makes me stronger. When I'm lost, He shows the way. I will trust Him every moment. I will never lose my faith. God is with me every day. He will guide me on my way. When I'm happy, when I cry, He is always by my side. I will trust Him, I will pray. He gives me hope each day. With His love, I'm not alone. God will lead me safely home. When the night is dark around me, I remember I can pray. Every tear and every question I can give to Him each day. I may not know tomorrow, I may not know what will be, but I know that I can trust Him. He will always care for me. God is with me every day. He will guide me on my way. When I'm happy, when I cry, He is always by my side. I will trust Him, I will pray. I have hope for every day. With His love, I'm not alone. God will lead me safely home.